Guys, we're on a part 2.
Arson.
What do you mean arson? We're on a family friendly channel. Shit, you niggers.
That's another hack.
Ano yan? Screen recorder?
I don't know.
Basta.
Screen recorder, yes, screen recorder.
Mama, supposed to be orange.
Sweat. I have sweat.
I'm
Bro, we
lagging.
collect money.
Okay, you collect money.
You buy me gun, bro. Me buy guns, but I'm broke. Who
Me buy gun.
No, me buy gun.
Okay, me buy coal. Even though I'm trash at coal.
O sige, di ko bibilin yung ano.
Bra!
Di ko bibilin yung bala. Bibilin ko yung sa rifle.
Ako din. Waiting.
Nah, bro.
Fight
Nah.
then.
Unstop.
Just give me the ammo, bro.
Yo, are we gonna put up the shield? I forgot this is a first person game.
Thank you for the money.
Bro, give me the ammo. Bro.
Did you buy gold?
Yeah, I buy coal. I already
You
fuel.
buy phone.
Why?
We already have phone.
Yeah. I already buy coal.
We only need one.
Okay, me gonna put up the defense. Whoever is gonna put up the defenses.
It's gay.
Okay, I don't like this one. I don't like playing the drills anymore.
Why?
Okay, fine. I can't even get through here.
There's a thing called ladders.
And fire phone. Oh, bro.
Ja!
Ja bro.
Ja, bro.
Bago na yung namat ha. Bagong mat na yun ha. O ja bro. Ay, good.
Damn.
Damn.
Now you're trapped inside. You know that one video?
I can't even get through.
Someone go on
I
YouTube video.
just parkour to the other
Someone
side.
kidnap his friends inside of the train and used dynamite to kill them.
What the fuck is that YouTube video?
Hey, you said no.
Oh, guys, I apologize. I apologize for all the
You're not
families.
Nick 13, guys.
Shut
You know
up.
what? Let's wait to the night.
Yeah, let's wait to the night.
We wait till the night. You know why?
Why?
Secure until
Zombies.
Extra fuel and or mountain. Or
Bambies.
extra ammo.
Bambies.
And you really think you can sell that? You've got these killers in there.
Don't mind me, just pushing somebody off the train.
Right again.
Chill. Don't be a cowboy. I actually forgot about Play of L a long time ago.
He's old.
He's old. He still has a voice of a teenager.
Shut up!
He took to a minor.
What?
Minor na.
No, bro, a minor or something, man.
Now nobody drive.
I forgot